September 14th or 15th.
Making a mess.
Playing with this box.
Actually, I think everything opened up in there.
Oh well. Hi, baby. Go Bears. Go Mets. Go Seahawks. He. Bah. Bah. Oh.
Did you catch that on video?
Yeah, I sure did.
Oh, gross.
The food stays in the body.
Not usually.
Don't wipe me.
Oh, wait, get it.
Baby.
No, he does that every single time he nurses. Without fail.
Don't overeat. It's a bad habit. Oop.
Thanks, Anna. I hadn't finished wiping
I
yet.
didn't know it's all in here. It's like caught in there. Actually.
Where is it?
I'm not sure, but it's pouring out. All right, baby. You've made a mess. Get my hat back. Any last words?
Beep, beep, beep.
See you later, baby.